Hello everyone. Welcome to Tuples Unpacking in Python Functions coding exercise. Python offers a very powerful tuple assignment tool that maps right-hand side arguments into left-hand side arguments. That is, the mapping is known as unpacking of a tuple of values into a normal variable. During this unpacking of tuple, the total number of variables on the left-hand side should be equivalent to the number of values in the given tuple. In this tutorial, we are going to implement tuples unpacking. To start with, we are going to implement our function, say def result, and here we are going to add two numbers, a, b. Now I'm going to call this function with normal variables, say 100, 200. Then I'm going to create a variable, let's say c, and create a tuple. And now we are going to pass this tuple to the function, and the function will unpack them. So you can see how a normal function works and how a function when called with a tuple is going to unpack the tuple values. So the result of this is, for the first normal function call is 300, and for function that has been called with the tuple, after unpacking them, it adds and gives the result 400. That's it from my side for tuples unpacking in Python functions coding exercise. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.